Hi guys, welcome back to Code Android, and today we are going to see clear text HTTP URL is not permitted issue, which is a very common issue which comes to a lot of people while calling a URL in Android application. As you can see, I have a web view here, and I was trying to load the URL, and this API is 28, which is Android 9, and I am not able to load the URL through http www.google.com. So I'll try to resolve this issue. I have a web view here, and I'll show you the XML as well. This is a web view, and this is the URL I'm trying to load. So as you can see, I'm not able to load this URL. I already installed the application into this emulator, but still not able to load this URL into our application. So there are around 3 to 4 options we can try for this. The first option we are going to try is we will try to change the HTTP protocol to HTTPS, which is secure, and we'll try to run and see if it works or not. So this is installing the application into our Android API 28 emulator, and yeah, the URL has been loaded perfectly and no issue has been occurred to the entire process. So this is the first way to do it. Now we are going to see how to load it with HTTP URL only. So we have to go to manifest file and add one network security config file here. So we have one network security config file .xml, and we will set this network security config file into the manifest file. So we'll try to add this Android network security config .xml and network security config. So as you can see, we have added the network security config file here, and we have reverted our HTTPS to HTTP back. Now we will run the application and see if it works or not. So as you can see, the URL has been loaded, but it is opened in Chrome instead of the same application. So this is basically a web view issue which I will try to solve. As you can see, I have commented one line here: binding.webview.webviewClient is equal to webview client. So we have to assign this webview client class to this webview client of our webview. So this problem will be solved with this line. I'll run this again and see if the URL opens in our own application or not. Okay, so the URL has been loaded into our own application, and it is an HTTP URL. So this is the option 2. We can try a network security config file. There are multiple things we can do into this file. I'll put a link to this entire documentation on developer.android.com into description, and you can see it from there what customization you can do from here. And there is the third way you can do is use clear text traffic true. Okay, let's run. Okay, the URL also loaded with this uh, this one permission, which is use clear text traffic true, and we have just added this line into the Android manifest file, and our URL is loading perfectly. So this is the third option we can try. So these are the basic two to three ways to solve this issue, which is clear text traffic issue in Android, and you can use the HTTP URL. So thank you guys. That's it for this video. Please come back to Code Android and subscribe.